I'm
room.
definitely.
Oh my god.
Definitely trying to get the 11.
And it's like no matter what angle you put it, like it gets literally like, like everything. Like the bone I have right there, it has to be pointed exact. It sucks.
Yeah.
I mean, the picture quality is wonderful. It's just trying to angle it. But the 11 is like, oh, man, it's really wonderful. And now I understand why they had those 3 cameras. I get it. Or the 3 lenses.
I know. Oh, spectacular.
Mm-hmm.
The 12 is coming out though.
I know, right? So
I was like, good. That means 11 will be cheaper.
Right, exactly.
I don't want the 12.
Because the 11 is still pretty expensive. 1,200, 1,300, give or take, whichever size. I think once I get to 11, that I'm done for a couple of years. Like, I'm like, no, this is it.
I have the 7, so I can definitely keep one for years.
Oh no, mine's 8. So I'm right there with you. Because everybody else I know has, the 11 and higher. 11 RS or X, whatever.
Something that is like, okay.
Right, I just need a phone, right? But I do believe the 11 is like, that's the ultimate for me for at least 5 years, or hopefully longer. Because I know there's always going to be another phone that's just wonderful, but I'm happy with the 11.
I would be happy with the 11.
Massage is wonderful.
Isn't it though? I love it so much. For those who have never experienced one or just don't get it, I don't know how you can live without massage.
Oh man. It's almost like good food, good massage. If you had a good job, that'd be even better. Or you're doing what you want to do in life. And yes, I know it's a TMI, but having, good relations, that would be a plus too. Like if you're, like relationship period, like if it's good, not just the sex, but like if you're happy, man, that could actually almost be better than sex. Like when you get older, you start to realize, like, having sex is great, but if you're with somebody that you get along with, you come home to, you guys laugh, cry, whatever, that's the goal.
Yes, it's absolutely the goal.
Because there's so many people in quarantine, they hate their wife, they hate their husband. I'm like, what do you expect? But no one's seen this coming, I think people just get married just to get married, just to say that they're married. But when you really do have to...
They don't want to be alone, but then they realize...
Right.
That being alone is better than being with the wrong person.
All day. Because once you're stuck and you got kids, like, how do you... Oh, man. I don't know.
Right.
Yeah, I don't want to be miserable. I'm like, as attractive as the person can be, it doesn't make sense to be miserable.
Nope.
So some people are just so angry at the world because they have a crappy job, then they got a crappy life at home. It's like, what do you do? How do you make it? They can't. They want to make somebody else miserable. Homegirl Jamila, like I was telling earlier, I would move out of there the first day. Like there would be no way. And she's like, I knew something was up when they showed it to me. They showed it to me on the weekend, but it was early in the morning. Because I was like, that's actually perfect time because black folk don't get up early on the weekend. You know what I mean? Like they knew what they were doing. Unless you're serious about your business, but most black there so fast. And I'm like, I'll break the lease. I don't care if we gotta go to court.
Break that lease. Either I break the lease or I break the person.
Right.
It's lease breaking or jail. So we gonna opt with. Are you able to put your hand behind your back? Yeah.
A little bit.
We're gonna try it out. We gonna see. How's that? Okay. Look at my hip here. Oh, I feel so much better. Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
I felt wonderful.
Yeah, those muscles always hard and the scapula. You just rip it up and just take it off, massage under it, and put it back on. Dominique, you're here?
Yeah, I'm in the building, but I don't see anything on the doors that say a name.
Okay,
So
are you on
you are.
are you on the third floor?
What was that? I'm sorry?
Are you on the third floor?
Yeah, I'm on the third floor.
Okay, I'm
There's
coming,
like a
I'm
glass
coming.
that says advertise your business.
Yes. It should say perfect office. I'm gonna come to the front now and let you in. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, thank you. I'm gonna still have her fill out
No, it's okay.
the intake form, so you can stay here for a minute if you want.
No, I'll get dressed. It was wonderful.
Oh, alright, can
You don't understand. No, it's okay. You gotta make that money. It's good.
She is.
Appreciate you.
Sorry, then.
No, it's wonderful.
I mean, if you're in a rush, she's an hour though, but
No,
you know.
it's okay. No. And I talked too much and took up your time.
Yeah. Alright, well, if you don't, what you, I don't know what I'm gonna say right now. Oh yeah, I'll be done with her in an hour, so if you're still around, if not, that's okay too. We'll definitely plan to give you some more time too.
This is more than enough. This is wonderful.
Happy to hear.
I owe you.